As you can see, Hurricane Irma. We're gonna die, so rest in peace.
Guys, this is bad, man. It might not look like it, but it is.
No
it might
shit.
die.
Dumbass, look.
If I upload it, that means I lived. This is my dad right here.
And if you didn't, that means you.
My mom. My grandma. Yes, all the beds are down here because the winds are so bad. We have a window upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys right now.
Oh,
look,
shit.
that's my dad's flashlight. Wait, hold on, guys. Look at this. Oh God.
I hope you trip and fuck to your dub. I hope the hurricane gets you actually. Then
Yo, chill out.
Damn, I hate you, bro. Get him a goddamn.
Alright, guys, look.
Okay.
We had to put this wood thing right here. Oh yeah, there's no power either. We had to put this wood thing right here to cover the windows, but it was so bad we had to take out the thing from the bed and put it downstairs. Ain't not funny. We had to cover this so it doesn't break this window, and then we put like, in case the window breaks, we put tape around it and stuff too. I don't know if you guys can see, but the neighbor's thing right there, it broke. It came out of the backyard. It just flew out. It's crazy, man. It's boring. There's no electricity. There's nothing. We just gotta sit right here, lay down until everything passes by.
This is my crib.
Look at this, guys. It was worse before. I'm just showing it now. Look at this. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see, but look at that tree over there. It's like bending over and stuff. Guys, it's been a few hours already, and it's hot as hell.
Put a shirt on. Oh yeah.
Guys, it's hot as hell, bro, and it's boring. I just want the hurricane to like finish already, to be honest.
All we can do is like walk.
It's already by the point that I'm already like just bored. Like I just want the shit to end. I'll come back again when. Oh God, yo. I don't know if you guys can see, but like it's crazy windy outside, bro.
I'm the king of the world.
Oh my God.
I'm the king of the freaking world.
Mami, todo está bien.
Oh my God.
I told her everything's gonna be okay.
Oh my God, ¿cómo está eso? Wow.
¿Viste?
Tengo miedo.
Yo. It keeps pushing like harder and shit. I'm surprised nothing here has like flown away. Oh no. This is bad. Yo, wait. It's starting to like flood. If this thing floods, it's gonna like go over this thing or something. I don't know. But it's flooding, guys. Guys, there's still no power or anything.
Freaking hate this hurricane. There's no power still. Look, I'm hearing the song.
There's only like internet outside. There's no power. There's no internet in the houses. None of that stuff. Yeah. Ah, damn. Every little thing. Guys, everything is closed, man.
It's flooded.
Every little thing is closed. And look, it's flooded. Look at this. Everything is flooded and closed. And then these are the FPL trucks. They're finally gonna fix like the electricity all around the place because everything doesn't have electricity or power or nothing, man. Look at this. They're all like reunited to like tell them where to go and put the power at, because there's like over 2.6 million people who don't have power. So yeah, look at that. You see they're all talking right here like where to go. I'm about to tell them to go to my house right now. Look at that, holy shit. And they're right around the corner, man. Yo guys, I'm in Miami Beach right now, and it's crazy. The Hurricane IRMA, it pushed the water back. Look at this. That's where the lifeguard is supposed to be at. You see that? And look, the water's supposed to be like either. Ignore that. The water was supposed to be right here, and look where it is. I'm literally standing where the ocean is supposed to be at. I'm standing in the ocean right now, right? But look, it's all the way over there, and the entrance is like way back there. You see, look, when you keep walking, and the ocean was supposed to be right here, right? And now look, you keep walking, the ocean's all the way over there. It's crazy, bro.
Wait.
Damn. All of this that I'm walking on right now,
What if there were fishes?
it's supposed to be the ocean, to be honest.
What about the fishes?
And I heard there's dead fishes everywhere, but I don't see no dead fishes.
Where?
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let's see how far this goddamn ocean is. Come on, Jonathan. Whoa. Look how much we have to walk just to go to the goddamn ocean, bro.
For real? What?
Holy shit.
Why did they go to the beach? I don't understand. They could have went to any other beach, but
Look at this.
I feel bad for this beach, man.
Look how far we have to walk. The ocean was supposed to be all the way back there. You gotta walk all this, man. The entrance, wait. The entrance is all the way over there. Look, I have to walk all of that, all the way over here.
It's like a whole stadium down.
Oh my god. Yo, on the bright side, look, Jonathan, at least it didn't take away the fine girls, huh? At least Hurricane IRMA didn't swoop him away like everything else.
I hope
God damn. Yo guys, alright, so we're back home, and by the time I upload this, everything is back to normal. We finally have power and everything. Right now it's still hot as hell, no power, and there's like a little bit of water left. I was able to shower and stuff, but yeah. Once I upload this, that means everything's back to normal. The power's back, everything. Alright guys? I hope you guys saw how Hurricane IRMA was for the past like day or whatever. So I'll see you guys soon, alright? Till the next one.